The first ingredient is ripe pineapple. So this size is perfect for this particular remedy. We also need okra, fresh okra, 4 pieces of fresh okra. Okra is also known as lady finger. We equally need cloves. Cloves is also called zobo pepper. We need cinnamon stick, fresh ginger, and finally we need lemon. This is lemon. So these are the ingredients that we need for this miracle drink. This remedy will help you induce hyperovulation for those that desire twins babies. Let's dive into the preparation. For the preparation, get a clean container that have cover. Get your fresh okra. You cut your okra into smaller sizes, as you can see me doing. We're going to be infusing our okra together with the cloves and cinnamon overnight to get a slimy consistency. So after cutting your okra, we add into our container. Okra contains antioxidant, which helps to prevent vaginal dryness. It also helps with fertility, as it promotes ovulation and also help to boost libido. Okra also help to balance the blood sugar in our body. So okra is perfect for boosting ovulation. Not only ovulation, or help with vaginal dryness. Next, we'll be going in with our cloves. Please count yours. This is 10 pieces of cloves bud. You add your cloves into the container. After adding your cloves, you add your cinnamon stick. So we need half stick. We need half. If you have mortar, you can crush to get a rough texture. If you don't, just use your hand to crush. You add your cinnamon stick. Cloves improve the functioning of the ovaries and also help in production of luteinizing hormones, which help in increasing fertility. Cinnamon has been used for a long period of time to improve fertility in both men and women body, and it's also very, very good for hormonal balance. It's good for boosting the ovulation. So after adding the okra, the cinnamon, and the cloves, we'll be going in with 1 cup of water. Add 1 cup of your clean water into your container. Shake, shake, shake. Cover and set aside. We're going to infuse this overnight to get a slimy consistency. Next, grate your ginger. Ginger helps in stimulating blood circulation, which can help produce high quality cervical mucus. Cervical mucus is essential for the egg to implant. So ginger is very, very good for fertility. After grating your ginger, you set aside. You slice your pineapple. This is bromelain. Pineapple contains bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme that have anti-inflammatory and blood thinning properties. Bromelain can improve blood flow to the uterus and uterine lining, which may help with implantation. So pineapple is very good for boosting fertility. So after cutting your pineapple, you set aside. So this particular okra water was the one I soaked last night. This one I'll be using it tomorrow. So let's sieve this particular one. Please, you need to do this every day. Don't store in your refrigerator. You'll be doing fresh batch every day. This particular one, I soaked it last night. Yeah, so this is me sieving it. The one we prepared today, I will use it tomorrow. So we need fresh okra water every day for this super hyperovulation drink. So this is how your ovulation will come, very slimy like this. This also helps to treat vaginal dryness. So you get your blender, add your pineapple, add the fresh ginger, the grated ginger, then you go in with a cup of okra water. This is the soak okra water, the one we soaked overnight. You add 1 cup of your okra water. Blend, blend, blend. Blend to get a smooth consistency. Please make sure it is smooth, because we are not going to sieve this amazing drink. We're going to drink both the juice and the fiber. They are all important. So after blending, this is what we got. I was able to blend mine to be smooth. Finally, we'll be adding our lemon. We need half lemon. You squeeze in your lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C and it contains alkaline properties. Yeah, that help in boosting fertility. So our drink is ready. Please, if you have any question, you can drop at the comment section. I will reply you. You'll be taking 1 cup daily. Start taking from the first day of your period up till ovulation day. Don't sieve it. You'll be doing a fresh batch every day. Don't store in the refrigerator. You do it every day. Start taking it from the first day of your period up till the day of your ovulation. You stop. So please make sure you are free from infection. If you have infection, please treat infection. If your tube is blocked, try and unblock your tube. And also try to balance your hormone so that you can get a perfect result. I am done drinking mine. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.